Okay, hi again, John. Are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay,
I don't know why it got left. Why?
yes, because I left because I need to record back again the our call. Okay, let's continue. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, this one. Okay. This one, let's answer this one. Read the sentence and answer.
Mga alaga naming mga aso ay maaba, maamo.
Ang mga alaga naming mga aso ay maaamo. What do you think is the answer for this one?
Maba, mababait.
Mababait? Yes. Good job. Number 5, last one. Read the sentence and answer.
May ilan kaming alagang ibon sa aming tahanan. Para sobra-sobra.
May ilan kaming alagang ibon sa aming tahanan. Iilan. Final answer, is it sobra-sobra?
No, kunti.
Kaunti? Let's see. Yes, good job. You're done with this part. You got 4/5. Okay. Next. Okay, last one before we proceed out. We go now here to the magkasalungat. This one. Let's try this one, your favorite. Magkasing
Yes,
kahulugan.
oh,
Yes. Get ready. What's that?
maligaya. Maligaya.
Maligaya? Wow, yes. Good job. How about this one? Marikit ang ating tanawin. Marikit? Yeah, maganda. Good job. Next. Wasto ang aking sinabi. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng wasto? Wasto? What's the answer? Time is running.
Tama.
Tama ba? Tama ba? Yes, of course, tama. Next. Bonus round. Look at the screen carefully and tell me where is. Where is? Where is the 200 plus point? Are
This
you
year.
sure? Wow. Good job. You got plus 200 points. Next, question number 4. Si Iza ay isang mahilig magkwento. Siya ay isang makwentong bata. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng salit
Matibihin. Matibihin.
makwento? Your answer. Time is running.
Tahimik.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Makwento?
Yes.
Oh.
Paldalda.
Ah. Madaldal. Makwento meanings, yeah, makento, madaldal. How about this one? Marungis. What's that? Marungis. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng marungis? For example, marungis ang aking damit dahil naglaro kami kanina. What's that? Oops, time is running. Choose now.
Malinis.
I think it's not maline. Marungis means madumi. Marumi. Again, what's the difference? You got 3/5. John, you're not in the rank. It's okay.
Wait, go down. Go down.
You're in number 7. It's okay. Okay, now we're done with the magkasing kahulugan or the words that are the same in meaning. Let's try to find magkasalungat. Do you know magkasalungat? The words that are the same or opposite in meaning. Is it the same or opposite, John? Magkasalungat.
Different.
Different. Okay, are you ready? Let's play. Let's try this one. Marami ka nang na-play dito. Okay, this one. What's the answer for this one? Magulo.
Mataba payat.
Mataba, payat. Okay, next.
Mabagal, mabilis.
Mabagal, mabilis. Okay.
Puti, itim.
Puti, itim. Okay.
Mataas, mababa.
Mataas, mababa. Okay. Last
Payapa.
one. Payapa, magulo. Okay, good job. Tick, tick, tick. Wow, correct. Okay, among this one, let's say payapa. Okay, wait for a minute. I will write your name. Oh, ito dyan. Payapa, magulo. Can you use payapa in a sentence? Payapa. This one dyan, payapa. When we say payapa, peaceful, right? When we say magulo, ano yung magulo dyan? Use payapa in a sentence. Go. Use payapa in a sentence. Gamitin mo ang payapa sa isang pangungusap. Payapa.
Ang bahay mo.
Payapa ang bahay ko. Yes,
Opo.
of course. Yes, very good. Good example. How about magulo? Use magulo in a sentence. Magulo means like messy. Go. Use it in a sentence. Filipino. Magulo. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds to construct a sentence.
Puti ang wall ko.
Hindi, not puti. Magulo. I mean magulo.
Magulot ng grupo.
Magulo ang
Grupo.
kwarto. Magulo ang kwarto ko. Yes, very good. That's a good example. Ay mo. Magulo ang kwarto mo. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one? Let's try this one. Puti. Can you use puti? Or white? Use puti in a sentence. Go. Puti, puti.
Ang table po.
La mesa. You say la mesa.
La mesa ang
Puti ang
mesa ko.
Yes, okay. Itim. How about itim or black?
Itim ang shorts ko.
Okay, itim ang shorts ko. Mabilis. Pass. Use mabilis in a sentence.
Mabilis ang koneho.
Mabilis ang kuneho. Very good. Good example. Mabagal. Slow.
Mabagal na Pagong.
Yes, good job. Mabagal ang pagong. Mataas. Use mataas. Mataas or
Big.
mataas
Mataas
not big,
ang
but
ko.
mataas ang score?
Ang kuya ko.
Mataas ang kuya ko. Very good. Mababa. Mababa meaning low.
Bababa ang score mo.
Mababa ang score mo. Very good. Last one, mataba.
Mataba mataba ang tito ko.
Okay. How about payat?
Payat ako.
Payat ako. Yes, okay. Very good. Okay, next.
Like right now, I'm payat.
Yes, like Woody. Very good. Okay, let's try. Let's try this one. This one. Okay. Oh, it's still like a game show quiz, but a different type. Go. Answer. Time is running. Go.
Payat.
Payat.
Mataba.
Mataba. Very good.
Pangit.
Pangit.
Maganda.
Maganda. Okay? Good job.
Malakas.
Mahina, malakas. Okay?
Babaho.
Mabaho,
Mabango.
mabango. Okay? Ano pa?
Madubi. Malinis.
Okay. Next. Next. Next, John.
Next.
Go answer. Time is running.
Likod. Harap.
Likod.
Malaki.
Malaki, maliit.
Malamig, mainit, masaya, malungkot, sarado, bukas.
Wow. Okay, let's see if your answers are all correct. Oops. Yes, good job. You got the answers correct. Applause. Okay. I will write your name here. There's no writing in the name.
Just look down. Just look down.
I can't write your name here. Okay. So, we have these words. Harap, likod, malaki, maliit, sarado, bukas, mainit, malamig, masaya, malungkot, malinis, madumi, maganda, pangit, mabango, mabaho, malakas, mahina, mataba, at payat. Okay, don't forget that words. Next! Next, before I proceed to differentiating again pag-iisa-isa at paglalarawan. Let's try this one. Let's have a last look for this one, so that hindi mo to makalimutan. Since we're already done with the magkasilungat at magkasing kahulugan. Let's look back again the pag-iisa-isa at paglalarawan. Okay. Okay, we already, this one, can you give me the kasing kahulugan of marunong? Based on the screen, marunong,
Matalino.
matalino. Good job. Next. Okay, tell me, when we say paglalarawan, describing, you're giving details, just like this one, the life of the pagong or the pawikan or sea turtle. I hope you will not forget that. Okay, tell me the kasing kahulugan of mabagal. Maku,
Makupad.
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 How about dalampasigan? Can you still remember it? Dalampasigan? Tabing?
Tabing dagat.
Tabing dagat. Matitibay. What's matitibay? Matitibay. Mata?
Ay, mataba.
Matatag. Yes, matatag. Very good. Okay. Okay, we're done with this. Ito. Ano to dyan? Maraming paghahanda kapag may bagyo. Una, maghanda ng pagkain. Ikalawa, maghanda ng flashlight. Ikatlo, makinig sa balita. What is that paragraph? What is this? Is it paglalarawan or pag-isa-isa? Answer. What's your answer? Paglalarawan or pag-isa-isa? Go. John, look at the screen and tell me if it is pag-isa-isa or paglalarawan. What is your answer, John? Pag-isa-isa or paglalarawan? Look mo na sa screen, baka lalabas to sa quiz mo.
Maraming mahahanda kapag may bagyo. Unang maghahanda ng pagkain. Ikalawa, maghahanda ng flashlight. Ikatlo, makinig sa balita.
Yes, what is your answer? Is it pag-isa-isa or paglalarawan? I am asking for your answer. Pag-isa-isa or paglalarawan?
Pag isa-isa.
Yes, pag-isa-isa. Bakit? Why can you say that it is pag-isa-isa? Because of the words? Why? Why is it pag-isa-isa? Because? Because of una, ikalawa, at ikatlo. Okay, don't forget that. When we say paglalarawan, you said describing. Of course, it's describing. Okay, look at the screen. I will read this one. And tell me what is this. Ang bagyo ay may malakas na hangin, malakas na ulan, at nagdudulot ng pagbaha. What is that, John? What is your answer for that one? Pag-isa-isa or paglalarawan? Why? Why is it paglalarawan?
Because it's describing.
Yes, it's describing. Very good. Let's move here to the arrangement. Okay. Okay, all you need to do is to use sumunod, una, sumunod at sa huli. Okay, ito, una, go. Una, read, una.
Nagdala ng umulan ng malakas. Nagdala sa payong ang bata. Lumabas siya ng bahay.
Don't forget to use una, sumunod, at sa huli.
Una, umulon ng malakas. Pagsusunod,
Sumunod.
danas ng payong ang bata.
Okay.
Pagtatapos,
Sa huli.
sa huli, lumabas siya ng bahay.
Okay, good job. Okay, next. Ito, last one. Una. Last one dyan. Una. Anong nauna dito? Gumising ng
Busy ang maaga ang bata.
sumunod.
Sumunod,
What's the next? Read. Sumunod. What's the next after nagising siya?
naglalakad papunta sa paralan.
Okay, sa huli. Sa huli.
Umupo sa silid-aralan.
Okay. Okay. We're done with this part, and I think it's time already. Thank you so much for listening, John, and good luck for your quiz. Bye.
Bye.